Thank you so much for watching this video, and in today's video I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide or a moving out checklist of how you can move out of your country. So to give you a little bit of backstory, I have moved from an Indian city called Bangalore to Dubai, and I got to know about this transition in mid-August 2022, and I had to move in October 2022. So I had roughly about 2.5 months to move, and I lived in a 2-bedroom apartment which was fully furnished. What I mean by fully furnished is that I owned the bed, the home appliances, the furniture and everything. So some things I did wrong, some things I did right, and that's how I have come up with this guide. This video is going to be in 2 parts. This is the part 1 where I will be covering 6 points, and you will have another which is part 2 where I will be covering the rest of the points. Otherwise it will get too long for you to watch. So you need to divide your entire house into 4 categories. First one will be trash. Everything that you have overly used, or you think now you don't want to take it away with you and you can't give it to somebody, all those will fall under trash. The second category is donate. Some stuff that you don't want to take but it is good enough to not throw, you can donate all those stuff. The third is the sales category, where you will be selling off your stuff which is really good but you can't take it with you. And the fourth category will be taking the stuff with you. So all the important stuff that you want to take with you while moving to another country. So second point is throw your trash and donate your stuff. So while cleaning up the house, the first point is throwing the stuff. Once you have gotten rid of all the stuff that you do not need and do not want to donate, so to donate your stuff, you can first talk to your house help, your cooks, your security guards, and then you can also talk to some of the NGOs who actually take used stuff. The third point is to talk to your friends and family. Now there are a lot of stuff that we own that our friends and family would need, so you can call them over or you can send them a list of things that are left with you if they want to take anything. The fourth one is selling your stuff. So all the things that you want to sell, you can sell it either on Facebook, OLX, Quicker, platforms like these. But out of all these platforms, I highly recommend Facebook. Most of my stuff I have sold on Facebook, and it has given me so many people's contact. The Facebook listing creation is very easy. Do let me know if you want like a short where I show you how to create a Facebook listing, how to create a folder for your photos, a folder for your list, like an Excel thing. Let me know if you want to see a video like that, and I'll be happy to make a short or a small video. The next thing that you should be doing is talking to your owner. If you are living in a rented apartment, if you are a tenant, as per your agreement terms, you can talk to them, tell them about your dates, or if you don't have dates, you can tell them about temporary dates that you will be moving out in this week, something like that, so that they are prepared. They come, they inspect the house, they talk about deposit and all those stuff with you, so that is out of the way. Okay, this is a very important point. Some things that you don't want to sell at first. For me, I had kept my washing machine, my stove, my refrigerator and a mattress so that I can live comfortably till end of October. You can do this. So this is the end of the part 1. Please stay tuned for part 2 where I will be talking about the rest of the 6 points. Until next time, bye-bye. The fourth one is selling off your stuff. So once you have... The fourth one is selling off your... Okay. The fourth one is selling off your stuff. Now for everyone who is living... The fourth one is telling...